Good morning, everyone. How are we this morning? This is Mel Stevens. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's about 5 minutes to 9 on a Friday morning, and it's the last or second last day in the life video today. So, I flew out of bed at 8:30 when I realised that it was 8:30, and at 9 o'clock Camille comes. Usually we would go swimming or horse riding, but today I chose to go walking and get my exercise that way. So I'm out the back with Darcy doing his Darcy thing. I'm going to tell you what I'm wearing today. I didn't tell you what I was wearing on Wednesday. Sorry about that. Maybe I should edit that into the description. I'm wearing just a grey hoodie, my Swish Victoria t-shirt, my Adidas trackies, and eventually I will put some Ooze and Ox shoes and socks on because my feet are too cold out here. So I'm now at a place called Shippy's, which is a nice little restaurant here by the river. So river is over that direction. Oh, there's a car going past. The river's over that direction. Camille's there. Hello, Camille. Darcy is on the ground. So we've got our coffee and newspaper that I'm not reading because it's blank. Funny about that. So this is the paddleboat Coonawarra, Port of Mildura. That's what that sign says, apparently. Is that all the sign says? Mm-hmm. Yes. So then, I'm guessing if I go that way, we've got the boat. I'm being turned. Have a look. So as you can see, that is a big boat. She's got a red hull and a white top, unless she's been changed. Has she been changed since I last saw her? No, she's still the same. Okay. So the significance of this boat is in 1991, on a cold July night at 8 p.m, my parents got married over, where's the bow? Hang on. Where's the front? The boat. Yeah. My parents got married probably right there where you're looking, on the front of that boat. Hey? Up. So that's the Coonawarra. Pretty. The river. Doing its thing. Being wet and rivery. And there's trees in the way. And here comes a little doggy, I think. Yes, no dogs. No dogs. A blind person use their cane in 5 seconds. When you walk, you put your cane in front of the foot that's behind. You tap, you swap over when you take a step. You tap, and you swap over when you take a step. When you swing the cane, it needs to go to your shoulder width, so you don't swing it like that because that's not safe, and you can trip other people over and stuff like that. So you just tap it shoulder width apart as you walk. And if there's an obstacle in your way, I'll try and find one. If there's an obstacle in your way, the cane's purpose is to detect the obstacle, and you need to try and find your way around it. Hang on. Up. So, for example, if I walk straight into this chair, I think it is. I don't know what it is.
No, it's a pole.
A pole, okay. If I walk straight into this pole, I need to figure out with my cane which way is the safe way around it. It's important to note that ordinarily you wouldn't actually go off the footpath to this extent that you would find a pole in the middle of the nature strip. You can actually tell with your feet that you have gone off the footpath because there's a massive texture change between the concrete and the green grass. As you can see, the cane is what we call an obstacle detector, in that the cane detects an obstacle when you hit it, and you need to negotiate the way around it yourself. But the guide dog is called an obstacle avoider, in that the guide dog will see the obstacle and navigate its way around said obstacle independently. Here is the bridge that goes from Mildura, which is over there, to New South Wales, which is over there, and this is the main way in and out of town. So you have to actually go across this bridge, then turn right, and then drive to Robinvale on the way to what's the name of the place? Swan Hill, where you get the train down to Melbourne. So to go to Melbourne, you have to go to New South Wales and back. Weird, right? Gonna take your harness off. Ugh. And you're gonna pull my arm off. When? Ta-da!
Yay! Come to show. Come on, Dusty. Come to show. Yes! Yes! Come here. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna be covered in hair.
Yeah.
Blondie? Gonna be covered in hair, Blondie.
He said, well, you covered me in Mummy's hair, so...
He lay in it. Oi.
Oi.
Das.
He said, well, you covered me in Mummy's hair, so this is my revenge. We can take revenge.
What are you
Together.
Das. Hello. I know I got no toys, no treats. Jeepers, life's hard, isn't it?
Sorry.
Or do I get a bath as well? Oh.
How easy this is going to be, but good. I'll see if he shows you how fast he leads me up these stairs. I'll watch myself on the hand. Whoa, rail. There you go. Good boy. Turn off the camera. Righty then. So as you may or may not have noticed, it's been a busy day. I've been everywhere, man. Down to the river, man. Up to the hotel, man. Had a haircut too, man. Then I went to the Vision, man. I've been everywhere. Sorry. So I went to the river. As you saw, we had breakfast. We walked. Oh yes, we walked and we walked and we walked and we walked. Then we came home for all of 5 seconds to get my harness, Darcy's harness. Excuse me. Then I went down back to town to get my hair done. So I don't know if you can tell, but my hair's been washed and trimmed ever so slightly. And then I thought, well, I had a request from one of the girls at the Grand to take Darcy in. Unfortunately, she was occupied today. Sorry. And she couldn't come down and see him, but one of the other two of the other girls got to see him. So that was fun. He got to see his favourite floor. And as you saw, he got to take me up those stairs at a rate of knots. Actually, no, he didn't go up there too fast today. Sometimes he actually almost runs up those stairs at the hotel. But today he wasn't too bad. Today he didn't actually run up them. He went up them at a nice leisurely pace, which was good because I could have fallen on my butt if I'd sort of, went too fast. And that wouldn't have been good with my camera in my hand. And we saw the two girls at the Grand. and Darcy got to see them, or one of them, which was good. He enjoyed that. And now, oh yeah, and then as I said, I went to Vision to put my football tips in. Love football tipping competitions, and I'm in one again this year for the first time in a few years, so that's always good. And now I'm at home and I'm just about to film a video about Braille, so keep an eye out for that. But I wanted to do this video. In this video I wanted to show you, I'm so excited, I wanted to show you my newly repaired Perkins. So this is the Perkins. It's a Brailler. It's a Braille writer. I will explain in my How a Blind Person Writes Braille video that I'm about to do about what it does properly. But I've just had this fixed, so keys are there, paper's in the back there, and it's just been fixed. I just got it back this morning actually from the Braille Perkins man who repairs them. Any vision impaired or blind people who have Perkinses and need them repaired, I can recommend this guy to you. So let me know if anyone out there needs a new Perkins, or like needs their Perkins fixed. So I'm going to film this video about Braille now, and I'll catch you later. Bye.
One face, large face, facing bottom image.
No, that was the talk button. I gave up on the idea of doing a video about Braille for the simple reason that I needed an extra pair of hands because I couldn't film and use the Brailler at the same time. So I will do a video about Braille. It's just I won't do it until such time as I've got someone who can help me record it. So I'm just going to sit down and just find something random to write on my Perkins for a little while, because I'm just so incredibly happy that it's back, that it's fixed, that it finally works. And yes, I'm just going to find something to write for a while on it. I'm just going to write junk, and I'll see you guys soon. How do I know what I'm filming? Because I just point and pray, Ali. Point and pray.
Point to pray. Hi, everybody. My name is Ali. I met Mel about, I reckon, 6 months ago.
No, a year ago.
A year ago. I did actually, yes.
Last July.
I
You
met
took
Mel
me and
last
Judy
July.
out
I
to
took her to
Trentham.
Chocolatiers, the
right.
chocolate factory up here, which is
right.
run by the Christie Centre. And we were talking about jazz and music, and I drove them into a couple of places. And then to their surprise, one day they came to a restaurant called Spanish Bar and Grill, and they came to the bistro side of it, and I was their waiter, and they couldn't believe
And I
it.
nearly fell off my chair. I'm like, hang on a minute. Don't you drive taxis?
Don't you drive taxis? I said, yeah, I'm a jack of all trades and a master of none. So I'm a chef by trade, but I just don't want to work in hospitality anymore. And I served a couple of times, and then I went back to taxis and started to get to know her better, driving her all the time. If anywhere she goes, she'll give me a call and I will drive her. And I like her, I like Darcy, my wife. When the day my wife met her, they hit it off really, really well. They were wonderful together. And we just got to know a lovely, lovely person, a person that gives us inspiration, because we can see everywhere we go. We can do so much, and we're still not independent on by ourselves. We depend on each other, Michelle and I. But I love how independent Mel is, and what she does and everything she does is just wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It gives me inspiration. I don't know about my wife. My wife doesn't need inspiration, but she takes inspiration anyway. She's a positive person. She rules the roost. She walks around with a Hitler's ruler, And
Just remember this is going on YouTube.
yeah, I know. She wants me to be skinny, and she's got me on isogenic. But I'm not gonna lie, I cheat all the time. That's why I can't lose weight. I just tell her
This is going-
isogenic is not working for me. But I'm not gonna cheat anymore. I'm gonna be a good boy, and I'm gonna lose 20 kilos for her. And then probably I'll get a new girlfriend. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Besides all that randomness, Darcy is in the back of the taxi there somewhere.
Yeah.
Just like flinging the camera over the back of my chair and hoping that you can see her. Ali. Ali's not in the back of the taxi. Ali's in the front of the taxi driving it. Darcy's the one who's in the back of the taxi.
And I'm trying to drive with the lights on inside the car.
Well, you can turn them off now.
Beautiful. And now I can see
I'd
better.
like you to meet Shah. Shah, I'd like you to meet everyone.
Hi everyone. I'm over here with Mel and we are just having our first drink, having just arrived at the Kumiala Club, and I'm about to propose a toast because today is the birthday of a very special friend of mine and Mel's mum Kate, who we went to school with, and her name was Dawn, and she passed away 3 months after her 40th birthday, and I would like to propose a toast to Dawn as it is her birthday today.
Happy birthday, Dawn.
Happy birthday, Dawn. Cheers.
Cheers. Although, are we going to try and do the whole blind
No.
clinking glasses thing?
No,
Let's
we
see.
better not.
Hang on.
Oh,
Let's try and do this. Now, where are we?
There we go.
Yay. It's
To
very
Dawn.
difficult to clink glasses
It
when you're blind.
is, it is, especially if they're full.
Ah, and there is Darcy on the floor. Oop, where is he even? There he is. Darcy on the floor.
Yes.
Oh, isn't he cute? Well, everybody, I think that's it for the blog for today. Or is that yesterday? Yes, once again, I failed to finish the video on the day of filming. I got home at probably close to 11 o'clock, if not past 11 o'clock last night. And all I did was brush my teeth and go to bed because I was tired. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've gained something out of it, and I hope that you share this video, like it, send me a comment down below if you've got anything to say, if you've got any video requests, etc. And of course, remember to subscribe to the channel for more content and more learning about blindness and vision impairment. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Stop. Oh, no, it's going, it's going.
Oh, hang on. Camille doesn't know how to operate the camera.
It's on now.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's on.
Darcy, have you got anything to say about the Coonawarra? Sit. More shit. Speak. Darcy, speak. Come on, speak. Say something about the Coonawarra. Speak. Darcy, speak. Good boy. Right. I don't know what that meant.
Turned it off. Oh gosh. It's always a blooper because I won't turn off. Why can't you to bang it like you do? It's still not turning off. Why? Why? What do I